Well, this is the final project. If you haven't gone through the chapter projects yet, please do so now. Many of these projects set up the file that you will be using here. Without doing those steps, you won't be able to finish your project. Once you've gone through all of those, let's open up your project template file. I've opened up our final version of it from our previous chapter. Now I'm going to save as. This will give you a before and after version for this project so that we will all be starting with the exact same file. I'm going to save this file and then I will save a final version of it so you'll have a before and after version that you'll be able to look at and compare with and to make sure that you're doing things properly. What we're going to do is to draw a small movie house in this section. Later sections will involve adding chairs, doors, and then finally we will add all the annotation to our drawing. So we're going to create our model, and the model obviously goes in model space. These are the blocks that we previously made. We don't need to see them right now, so I'm going to select them, right-click, and erase. Now we need to be working on the proper layer. First, we're going to start off by drawing the exterior walls. So I want to make sure that our wall exterior layer is the current one. So you can click here. This is in the Home tab on the Layers panel. Now we're going to make the exterior walls. Doesn't really matter where you start this at, but we're going to draw with a polyline. So start the polyline command and pick a point. Turn on your ortho because we're just going to draw straight horizontal and vertical lines. We're just going to enter in distances. Now remember, this drawing is set up into feet and inches, with inches being the unit. So if I type in a number, it's going to be in inches. Some of our dimensions here are going to be in feet, so you'll have to type in the feet sign or symbol. So let's start off drawing a line 16 foot, 8 inches to the right. We're going to draw another line, start from this endpoint, so O snap to it, and draw it down 37 feet. Draw another line now to the right, 16 feet, 8 inches. And just close that up. Now we're going to offset our line 7 feet, 6 inches. We're going to use this line. Explode this polyline and offset it 30 feet. There we go. Now extend. Type in EX and select both of those lines. Enter, select this line, and now shift and select that line to trim it up. Enter. Offset 22 feet. Enter. Select this line. Enter. And now let's trim. Enter. And select all of these lines here. Pick this part, and that part. That is our overall outline for our building. Now type in P-Edit, press the letter M for multiple, press return, and then select all of these at the same time. Press enter, type in Y for yes, we want to convert all of the lines to polylines. Click join. Enter a fuzz distance of 0, press enter, and enter again. Now we have one solid polyline enclosing the entire building. The next thing we want to do is to create a wall thickness here. So we're going to offset 8 inches, just 8, press enter, select the line here, go inside, press return. And that is our exterior wall.